Hello there, guys. So today I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you about my presentation for my Digital Communication 1 class. This has to deal with logos. What we were supposed to do was a farmer's market logo in our own little town. And since, of course, I live in Brownsville, well, I went ahead and chose Brownsville, Texas. And so what I did in order to make this into a cohesive and more clean look was pretty much make them all have about the same colorings and have the same background. I did want to go ahead and go work with an oval, since I did go ahead and create this little oval over in Illustrator. As you can see, I did go ahead and widen up the edges just so that it could look a little bit more interesting and your eyes could actually get drawn to it. Now, one of my favorite logos, and the reason on why I really like it is this little piggy right here. This is my combination. I just really like it because I could actually be a little bit more creative with it. I did go ahead and use a little piggy, which I wanted to go ahead and use as my mascot. That is because, I don't know, what's the first thing that you think about when you think farms? Well, for me, it's a pig and corn. So, yeah, that's exactly what I did. And of course, this little piggy is so cute, so that would be my little mascot. I did go ahead and use two different types of fonts in here, and what I went ahead and did in order to use my Brownsville was go into the arc and pretty much put it up to 50. Now for my back, for the market, I just went ahead and again, I went into text wrap and I just went ahead and got the arc lower, and I basically went ahead and worked with that. Now for my second logo, I have my letter mark, of course. For this one, what I did, I was just went ahead and copied up the circle from the first logo, and I did go ahead and I got the B. So this B, just because I wanted it to stand out a little bit more so that it could be a little bit more emphatic, or I could emphasize it, I'm sorry. Then I just went ahead and wanted it again to be a little bit cohesive, so I got the corn from this combination and I just went ahead and placed it like if it was a little dot. Then my F, again, I went ahead and got it from Farmers, and the same thing with my market. I went ahead and got it from the M in Farmers. I just wanted it to have a little pattern, so I used red, black, and then again red, just also to be able to contrast with the green in the back. And something else, and then I have my word mark. For this one, what I went ahead and did, I just went ahead and copied everything from the first one. Again, I did want it to be more cohesive. So I just went ahead and got Brownsville from here, copied, pasted it, and of course this time I did not have any wrap. So there you go. For the Farmers, I went ahead and got and placed that on the top, and then my market on the bottom with, again, a lower arc. Again, I did just want to make all of this look very cohesive, and I just wanted it to be for one specific little market, and so I did go ahead and use almost the same presentation in all of them, just so that, that way, if I wanted to sell just this one logo, or if I wanted to go ahead and use stickers that were in different or various ways with just this one, well, of course, I could go ahead and have it right then and there. Well, of course, guys, it was my pleasure speaking with you guys. So I hope that you liked what I did today, and just go ahead and leave me any comments so that I could go ahead and work on it if you want me to. Thank you so much for taking your time and listening to me. I do hope that you have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.